Hey, Zero Teeny Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee. Guys, as you can tell, we ain't in East Tennessee anymore, right? We are out here in Florida today, me and Mr. Lawson himself, and hey, for a very good reason. We have got quite the special smoker sitting here behind us now. This is from Mr. Eric Trump, okay? And how that came about is it's actually Eric's big 40 coming up here in a couple days, and a group of his buddies got together, called us up and said, hey guys, believe it or not, Eric's been talking about y'all smokers and he really likes them. So they custom ordered Eric a TMG pit for his birthday, the ET edition. All right, so I want y'all to check this bad boy out. We're gonna go reveal it to him tomorrow. So, and of course we hooked this man up. So we got Eric the Copperhead 52, my personal favorite, guys. All blacked out, all set up nice. So we'll start with the off-road package, guys. Got our off-road package. Check out those wheels and tires from our friends Mods in Texas, and then we threw a red, white, and blue custom powder coat job on there for Eric. Cause hey, let me tell you something about Eric, guys. He loves America, okay? Just like us, my man loves America. We appreciate that. So we got on the red, white, and blue wheels on there, and there's a lot of customization that went into this pit. So Eric's also a big Second Amendment supporter, okay? So we've got custom hinges, custom handles on this thing. As you can see, all the stainless steel accents we've got on there for him. Open this bad boy up. And guys, this is our Copperhead 52 model. It is a reverse flow smoker. So you got your two sliding trays here. Reverse flow, that means it directs the smoke all the way across the bottom, back out of the chamber and out the stack. So it makes for real even cook temperatures in there. He's got our TMG Pits tail tooth thermometers on there. Of course, we hooked him up with that stainless steel front shelf there looking sharp. And come around to the hot box, guys. Now, first off, y'all know the deal. This is our 30-inch hot box, 5 sliding trays in there, 1,776 square inches of cook space. And we got a pretty cool handle on this bad boy. So this is actually a fluted bolt off a Remington 700 there, a little bolt action deal to open her up. Got your 5 sliding trays in there. Guys, what's great about this hot box, it runs completely independent from the smoke chamber. So basically right here, what you got is 2 smokers off 1 fire, all right? Works really well. I'm sure Eric will appreciate that. Step around here to the side. Now this may be my favorite side, maybe. So we got the insulated firebox there, custom firebox handle, got another fluted bolt down there on the air intake. Open this sucker up. Like I said, it is our insulated firebox. He does have his fire management cradle in there as well. And right above that, we have got the 1776 side folding shelf with the red, white, and blue custom powder coat job on there. Locks up just like that when you're done with it. Folds down just with one hand, pretty slick. All right, maybe this is my favorite side here, guys. All right, we got the rear folding shelf. Hey, not just any rear folding shelf. We got the Trump shelf, baby. Red, white, and blue powder coat, of course. Now this still folds up, locks in place, prep off of it, serve off of it. He also got a fold down stack here. Came out pretty slick, guys. Hey, we can't be excited for my man Eric. Hey, I hope he churns out some good barbecue with this rig here. I'm sure he will. But guys, we're about to load it back up. Go surprise Eric with it. So y'all stay tuned on our YouTube channel. Check that video out. But hey, that's it for now. Y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.